Hello all, welcome to my channel Learning Oasis. In today's video, we are going to see how to compare two columns using Powerquery. So these are the two columns that I have. There are scenarios where you want to identify what are the values that are common between these two columns, or the other case wherein you want to identify the list of values that are available only in column 1 and not in column 2, or the vice versa, which are available only in column 2 and not in column 1. So for that, normally we will use VLOOKUP to compare one list with the other. It will take a longer time, but instead we are going to see a simple trick here using Power Query. So let's get started. So these are the two lists that I have. So for comparing these two lists, first thing I'll have to do is I'll have to convert this into a table. So this is being converted now into a table. And then the second thing, I'll select this data and then convert this into a table. And then as you know, the shortcut for converting into a table is Control plus T. So now these two are being converted into a table. And then now we need to go to the data tab, click on the first list, and then click on get data. Now here, click on other sources from table slash range. So you will get into the Power Query editor. This will show the column 1. So now click on close and load, and then select the second option, close and load to. So you will see a dialog box appearing. Here you will have to click on only create connection. So once this is done, same thing has to be done for column 2. From other sources, table slash range, close and load to, only create connections. So we are done. So we have two different tables created, and we have created query for both tables. Now next thing is, again go to the get data tab, click on combine queries. Okay, now click on merge. Now if you see, the two things that we are comparing is table 9 and then table 10. So select table 9 and then table 10. So now you need to click on this again to ensure that it is being selected. Now if you see, it is being highlighted now. Similarly, click on list 2. And now, so first thing, let's see what are the rows or values that are available in both columns. Okay, so for that you can click on this inner only matching rows and then hit OK. So these two are the values that are available in both columns. Now I don't need this column, so I'm right clicking it and then removing it. Now click on close and load to. Now in this dialog box, select the option existing worksheet so that we can compare and see. Okay, and then select this cell. Now hit OK. So the data is loaded. So if you see 7079 and 6371, these are the values that are available both in list 1 and in list 2. Now for instance, you want to select items that are available only in list 1. So how do you do it? Just go here, double click on this, and then double click on source. So now you will see this table appearing. So from the drop down, now I have to select left anti which says rows only in the first, and then hit OK. Right. So this will give the items that are available only in row 1. So I'll have to close and load. So these are the items that are available only in row, sorry, column 1. Okay, so now I want to identify uh, items that are available in row 1, all items that are available in row 1 along with items that are matching with column 2. Okay, so for that, again I'll have to click on this query, same steps, double click on source. Now here I need to select left outer which says all from first matching from second. I'll hit OK. and then again close and load. So next thing, we have done comparing list 1 with list 2. Now we will go the other way around. So again go back to the query. So go to the source. Now here I want to get values that are available only in the second column. So for that I will select right anti rows only in second. Okay, and then I will hit OK. So now you will have to expand the table because everything is available in the list too. Now we'll do the other way around. First we remove the column to the right. Now we'll remove the column to the left. I will remove this, and then now I will click on close and load. For instance, there are two values that are common, right, between column 1 and column 2. Even that will get excluded. This will give me the values that are available only in column 2. So if you want to get values that are in column 2 plus the common values between column 1 and column 2, we'll again go back to the query, double click on the source. Now I will select right outer all from second matching from first, hit OK, expand this, and then we'll have to remove this column and then close and load. So now this will give me the list of values that are available in column 2 plus those values that are common between column 1 and column 2. Okay, so this is a basic comparison of two different columns that will be useful for you. But in the next video I will post how to compare two different sheets which has the same set of rows and columns, or rather same set of columns, but the values could be different. So how do you compare between those two sheets and then get common values, or if you can take two criteria to compare, how to do that, I'll post it in the next video. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you all.